Ultraviolet light is a commonly used disinfecting tool and is popular in a variety of industries. Commercial cleaning companies, schools, offices, medical facilities, hospitals, and many others utilize UV technology to kill bacteria, viruses, mold, and spores to provide a healthy and safe environment. Larson Electronics manufactures a myriad of UVC disinfecting and sanitizing tools for a variety of uses. Check out some of our UV sanitation and disinfection products. Larson Electronics is your source for UV sanitation and disinfection needs. We offer a variety of products ranging from desktop and hand lamps for close-up sanitation, disinfection boxes and UV ovens for personal devices, portable sanitation light carts for large rooms, vehicle disinfection lights, and more. Each light offers a UV range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers, which is the effective range that can disinfect and kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores on surfaces. UV hand lamps. Our handheld lamps offer 360 degrees of UV coverage for close-up sanitation. The lights have a hook for hands-free operation and chemical and abrasion-resistant cord with an industrial-grade cord cap. UV desktop lamp. For disinfection of computers, electronics, and personal devices. This desktop UV light has a stable base and contains an adjustable neck for accurate positioning of the light head. UV disinfection boxes. These devices are recommended for disinfecting compact tools and equipment on tables, desks, workstations, and surfaces. Individuals may leave their electronics and personal devices inside the box. After exposure, the devices can be used again immediately. Sanitation light carts. Our sanitation lights are available in dolly cart style frames with 180 degrees of coverage and industrial style carts with the full 360 degrees of coverage. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. With a recommended 30-minute exposure time for viruses, multiple units may be purchased to disinfect larger areas more quickly. These lights are available with digital timers that allow the user to set the disinfection time, safety motion sensors that shut off the light when motion has been detected, and a 90-second startup delay that allows time for clearing the room before activation. UV sanitation light for vehicles. This slim profile lamp measures 50 inches wide and offers a 5 to 10 minute exposure time. It includes adjustable nylon straps for mounting inside vehicles. An inline switch along the cord allows operators to activate and deactivate the unit outside of the vehicle after temporary installation. UV air sanitation. Make your environment safe with clean air. These units project ultraviolet rays across the top of the room, providing constant purification as it flows through the UV rays being produced by the fixture. These devices operate passively without noise and do not require frequent maintenance. The IND HVAC DTW UVCR1SS481L120V from Larson Electronics is a high-output air duct disinfection system that works to disinfect air moving through a duct system via germicidal ultraviolet rays. The air flowing through the duct that passes through the UV rays is then sanitized. Bacteria and viruses present in the air that passes through the UV rays produced by the fixture are destroyed. UV troffer lights. Available in 2x2 and 2x4 sizes, this germicidal UVC recessed troffer mount fluorescent fixture offers high light output from a compact form factor. This troffer mount UVC germicidal fixture is for recessed mounting in inverted T-bar grid ceilings. This is a great lighting solution for general area lighting systems and commercial indoor spaces. Customization options are also available to meet your specific needs. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.